Hey guys, this is DeSHANTA B again. I think this is part 8, my mini series of the smoked turkey collard green egg roll recipe. So guys, what I'm going to do right now while the greens are steaming or whatever on the stove so that they can render out their juices, I'm going to show you some of the ingredients that I'm using. So what I did so far is with the greens that I didn't use in the pot, I placed them in a Ziploc bag. I'm going to put the date on them, and then I'm going to place them in the freezer. Nowadays, with the cost of food, guys, you got to save whatever you can. So, as I show you these ingredients, it's up to you and your palate, what you want to use, what you can't use, your salt intake. All of that is based on your own personal preference. But this is what I'm using so far, and everything can be substituted. I'm using a 10-ounce bag of chopped onions. I'm sorry you have the shadow, guys. Let me see if I can move this way. Nope. Okay, we'll try this way. I also have a 10-ounce bag of seasoning blend, which is onion, celery, red peppers, green peppers, and parsley flakes. Remember, guys, you can substitute or take out whatever you don't want to use. This is just what I am using. I'm also going to use a little bit of liquid smoke to coincide with the smoked turkey wings. I have my onion powder, garlic powder. I love this new seasoning. It's onion butter all-purpose blend by Fire Smoke or Fire and Smoke. You can find this in the grilling section in Walmart. It's a little pricey. It's about $5-6, but trust me, guys, it is worth it. It adds so much flavor to any type of food. I even put this on my eggs. I have some Worcestershire sauce. I have, which I haven't decided yet, I have some Cajun seasoning and some Creole seasoning. So I haven't decided which one I'm going to use yet. I also have some black pepper. I was going to use sriracha, but I decided to just use this crystal hot sauce. My sweet paprika. I also have some green seasonings. Guys, you see these seasonings? I'm not going to be using a whole lot of them. I'm also going to use some crushed red pepper. I believe I'm missing something. And this is one of my secret ingredients. I know a lot of people put apple cider vinegar or white vinegar in their greens. Well, this is the balsamic vinegar that I will be using. I feel like I'm forgetting something. But, also, guys, those of you that have been watching from the beginning when I was cooking these smoked turkey wings in the crock pot, this is the broth from that I'm also going to be adding to the collard greens. So guys, let me pause this and go over to the pot so that you can see what the greens look like. Hold on. Okay guys, you know when you move and you put your pot tops and everything in this box and that box, I couldn't find the top to this pot. So this is the pizza plate that's used when we make homemade pizzas. And this is what the greens look like right now. Your house should be smelling just like raw collard greens. I actually could have added those other greens, but it's okay. So I'm going to let these cook down a little bit more, and then I'm going to add the seasonings. Basically, the way that I see it, I just want the greens to basically open up so that the flavors can adhere to them. When you first put the greens in the pot, they're kind of stiff. So now when I add the ingredients, the seasonings, they should really adhere and season these greens very, very well. So this is what they look like once they start rendering down. And they're starting to make their own liquid, but it's not enough, so I know I'm going to add a little bit more. If you want, you can add water, you can add vegetable broth, you can add turkey broth, chicken broth, whatever you want. But I'm probably just going to add the broth from the smoked turkey wings and just some regular water. Okay, guys, moving on. The next video will be when I will be adding all of the seasonings. And once again, guys, I apologize for it being so many different parts, but I got to get a new camera, guys. Okay? Thanks for watching, guys. You know what time it is. Stop playing.